As you've poked around with all these things, what have you found? You've mentioned some of these, like LLMs, to be particularly good at or bad at when it comes to coding and development in general.
One way to think about this is in Jurassic Park, when they have gaps in the dinosaur DNA and it fills it in with frog DNA, kind of. LLMs do that too, where if you don't bring the specific examples, it just assumes based on the most generic background information of how it fits in. So they do really well. If your thing looks like, if you're writing it in the same kind of React style that everybody else writes it, they're really good at that because they've got tons of frog DNA to bring into your particular situation to get really good results. If you're writing an algorithm that's been represented, is like nicely, cleanly separated and exists in lots of tutorials and Wikipedia articles or whatever, they're also pretty good at reproducing that. When you have an architecture, like a relatively large architecture that is slightly atypical or it has some weird stylistic and calling ways it's been designed, architected, they start getting a little bit funky there and a little bit like they can lose the plot a bit.